Hello everyone, this is Crystal at In-House Crafter. Thank you for stopping by my channel. Well, I have a review today. Now, I have went ahead and opened them, but I've not fully took all of them out. I just had to count them to make sure they sent me all of the ones that I ordered, because this was a really large order, probably the largest that I've ever made or purchased from Tapestry Market. And I'm gonna break these down into 5 different videos. Since I purchased 10, I'm going to be doing 2 of them a week, or no, 2 tapestry shows, probably 1 review a week, but two Tapestry Market ones, the show. Okay, let's see what they got here. Now, I'm not going to look in, I'm just going to reach in and pull. There's one. Okay, and there's 2. And I already tell one of these is a Joy Sunday. We'll do that one first. And it is the Winter Lantern. Now, it is a 14 count. And it says it's a 21 by 30 centimeters. So, let's see how it looks. Oh, it is a pretty one. Let's back you all up just a little further. It is very nice. Let's check that key. Now, it is the keys all on one card. Okay. I can already tell that the symbols are going to be different from the canvas pattern, the way it's got it going, but it's a real nice, pattern. Very easy to read. There is 46 colors. It does have a French knot, and it does have some back stitching, but it's mostly in the lantern part. Now let's look at these colors. Oh, it's on 2 different cards. And give those a shake. Now the colors look really good. Real nice colors. Now, where it's been a 14 count and these are small, it's really hard to see on this right here. It is serged all the way around. Let me give it a measure right fast. It says it's 21 by 30. If you're doing it by inches, it's 8 inches. Well, almost 11 and a half. The picture itself is a little over 6 inches, not a whole lot. And it's almost 9 inches here. So, it's a pretty good, small one. I would recommend using your stitch guide right here, because it's a bit bigger than this right here. Let me bring you way up. As you can see, you're going to have to really blow up your canvas here. And for me, I wear reading glasses anyway, so this will blow up really good. But the pattern thingy right here, your guide, is way better. It's a bit bigger. I would go by the pattern right here to stitch on this right here. That would be me. But I don't know, I think it's going to be pretty. It doesn't look like it has a whole lot of graffiti going on in it to where you'd have to do a lot of stop and go. I think it'll be a real pretty one. Alrighty then. Get that one packed back up. Now the next one I just seen. I don't know if it's one of the fall ones that I ordered or not, but it looks to be pretty good size. I can tell by all the colors. Alrighty. I do apologize, it's going to be a crinkle. Okay. Let's set that over there. That's loud. It does come with a little toolkit. I love these right here that they put these needles in. You can really keep up with your needles. I love how they do that. I'm gonna see the pattern, the thing first. Okay. Which one would this be? Well, I want to say this is the autumn leaves. Be nice if we put the names on these when you get them, but they don't. But that's okay. Pretty good size one. It has 40 colors. And it looks to be a good one to do. I'm gonna like it because I love fall, and it's got the star here in the middle and everything. I think it's gonna be pretty. Of course, I'm in love with anything that's fall wise, so it's no wonder that I had to get this one. Okay. Alrighty then, trying not to get all my colors out of whack here. Let me give this a shake. Ooh, I can already see these colors. I love them. Look at that. All that right there. That is gorgeous. And I love that right there. All these dark colors. Ooh. I love these fall colors. Got a little bit of blue in here mixed to go with some of the berries that it had on there. Yeah, this is going to be gorgeous. So gorgeous. Got a little bit of a knot here, but hey, that's okay. It's a loose one that I can get out. It's mainly on the same color card too, so I'll deal with that later. But yeah, that's gonna be gorgeous. Now the pattern. Ooh. Oh, that's gonna be beautiful. It is serged all the way around. It says it is a 50 by 50 according to this up here. So let's give it a measurement right fast. I got 19.5 in inches, which does put it at 50. So and another 19.5. Okay, the picture itself is almost a little past 17 inches, not much. So yeah, it's not bad. But yeah, you fold some of it up here so you can see the top of it. It is a good one to stitch on. There's no bleeding of color on here where it looks like it ever got wet. Nothing like that that I can see. So I believe it's going to be a good pattern to do. Yeah, another good one. Well, that's all I'm going to show today. I will do another review next week on 2 more that I will randomly pick out of the bag. So I do appreciate everybody for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, and hit the bell to be notified of when my next video comes out. You can also find me on Instagram. The link is in my bio here on YouTube, and I also have an Etsy shop, and the link to it is in my Instagram account, so feel free to go check out my Instagram or my Etsy shop. But okay, until next time, happy stitching.